Bollywood gets criticized for many things, especially for making exact rip-offs of scripts and storylines from film industries all over the world. But little do you know that some of our own movies have inspired either the premise, the characterization, or scenes for some movies in Hollywood. Discussing those cases here is Tried and Refused Productions, with 8 Hollywood movies inspired by Bollywood or Indian cinema. Number 8 goes to Win a Date with Tad Hamilton. A movie about two best friends leading ordinary lives until a celebrity, in order to save his image and PR purposes, starts a contest for an ordinary girl to go out on a date with him. Though the movie is original in its aspect of characterization and depiction, the movie has a similar equation to the 1995 movie Rangila. A girl caught in a love triangle between her best friend and a movie star.
एक जिंदा राइस शोरबा मार के।
ए मुन्ना, क्या बात कर रहे हो? ये सारी चीजें यहाँ नहीं मिलती।
नहीं मिलती? No sir.
Only to finally realize that her dream love interest isn't what she pictured to be, and her true love was always by her side. Number 7 goes to Leap Year. The makers of Leap Year claim that the movie was not at all inspired by Jab We Met, but let's inspect their plot. A very talkative and chirpy girl flies out miles to propose to her boyfriend, meets a stranger due to unforeseen circumstances, shares a hotel room with him, they fall in love, get separated but reunite to get married. If this movie is not similar to Jab We Met, then what is?
कुत्ते उल्लू के पट्टे। You bastard! साले सुअर की औलाद!
Number 6 goes to Kill Bill. Quentin Tarantino himself admitted while having a private conversation with Anurag Kashyap that the famous animation action sequence in Kill Bill was inspired from Kamal Hassan's Tara Ala Vandan. Anurag Kashyap also later admitted in media that yes, sight and sound critic Naman Ramachandran first told me this. So when I met Quentin in Venice, I asked him whether the manga sequence in Kill Bill was inspired from an Indian film, and he excitedly remarked, yes, I saw this Indian serial killer film which showed violence as animated, and that was Kamal Hassan's Ala Vandan. Number 5 goes to Delivery Man. This 2013 film is about a hapless delivery man of his family business who finds out that sperm donations that he made during his college days have not only made him exorbitant money, but have also led him to fathering 533 children. Even though the movie is a remake of the 2011 French-Canadian film Starbuck, the theme and premise is close, if not identical, to Vicky Donor. While Delivery Man focuses on the man meeting his unknown offspring, Vicky Donor follows the initial stages of the regular visits at the sperm bank.
मैं ना सिर्फ पॉकेट मनी के लिए कर रहा हूँ। चेंज ऑफ हार्ट, हृदय परिवर्तन नहीं हुआ है।
ओके जी।
The major difference being that Vince Vaughn fathered 533 children, whereas Ayushmann Khurrana hit a mere 53. Number 4 goes to Fear. The chilling and dark film starring Mark Wahlberg and Reese Witherspoon is about an obsessive man who will go to any length in his own cynical and twisted way to profess his love for a girl. Though the movie is original in its aspect of character, storytelling and depiction, one cannot help but compare Mark Wahlberg's character David to Shah Rukh Khan's obsessive and psychotic character Rahul in Dar. Both were mysterious and menacing and had very similar obsessions for their love interest. What's the most evident comparison is both the characters cutting themselves on the chest and branding their lover's name. Number 3 goes to Hitch. The funniest aspect of this film is that all the credit was given to Hitch in terms of the scenes and premise in the 2007 movie Partner. But little did we know that the 1976 movie Choti Si Baat had close to the identical premise and characters as Hitch.
तुम्हारे जवाबों से ऐसा मालूम होता है कि तुम जिंदगी की लड़ाई हारे हुए हो, उस लड़की से भी जिसे तुम प्यार करते हो। हम तुम्हें कामयाबी दिलाएंगे।
A shy introvert seeks for help in order to get a girl way out of his league. Choti Si Baat, barring the only difference that there was competition for the same girl, but the shy introvert character played by Amol Palekar and the dating expert played by Ashok Kumar are very similar to the combination of Will Smith and Kevin James in Hitch. Number 2 goes to Pearl Harbor. Pearl Harbor isn't actually a movie about what really went down on the catastrophic event in 1941 when the Japanese attacked Pearl Harbor. Two best friends in the armed forces, one of them presumed to be killed in action. The love blossoms between the best friend and the heartbroken girl, only to see months later the man who was presumed to be dead at her doorstep. The love triangle is close to identical to Sangam, except the fact that in the Bollywood movie, both the friends were not in the armed forces. It's shockingly very similar in terms of the struggle to come to terms with a relationship and a friendship, and facets of loyalty, lies, despair, and grief. And number 1 goes to A Common Man. One movie that unapologetically inspired and is an official remake of a Bollywood movie is A Common Man starring Ben Kingsley, a movie about a regular man who plants bombs around a city and sets up his mini control station from where he communicates with the police chief through majority of the film. The entire premise is inspired from the masterpiece of Wednesday starring Nasruddin Shah and Anupam Kher. Except the change of location from India to Sri Lanka, the characterization and the message of the movie have the same theme and undertone as the original. And that was the list, guys. Write it down in the comments below if you have some video ideas for our channel. Please support my personal Instagram page. The handle's right in front of you. Follow me at JammyPants4. Please support the video by smashing the like button and subscribing to our channel for weekly content ahead. Thank you so much for watching.